How to fix normals in Blender. First of all, go into edit mode by pressing the tab key with your object selected. This allows you to work on the mesh directly. Now, make sure all faces are selected by pressing A on your keyboard. Once everything is selected, press Shift plus N to recalculate the normals. This often fixes most normal related issues automatically by aligning them to the outside of the mesh. Next, if recalculating doesn't work as expected, you can manually flip the normals. With the faces still selected, go to the mesh menu in the top bar, hover over normals and choose flip. This inverts the direction of the selected normals, which is useful if Blender recalculated them incorrectly. Then, enable face orientation to visually inspect the normals. Click the shading drop-down in the top right corner of the 3D viewport and check face orientation. Blue faces mean the normals are correct, while red faces are flipped and need fixing. Finally, if you are still having issues, check for duplicate geometry or internal faces. Go to the mesh menu, select Cleanup and choose Merge by Distance to remove overlapping vertices. Also manually inspect for hidden internal faces and delete them if needed, as this can interfere with normal direction. And that's it, now you know how to fix normals in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.